Imagine waking up, opening your Fiverr account, and seeing 3 new client orders before you've even brushed your teeth. No paid ads, no thousands of followers, no years of experience. Just one laptop, a free AI tool, and a system most freelancers completely ignore. Today, I'm revealing the Fiverr plus ChatGPT workflow that's helping freelancers work faster, write better gig descriptions, answer clients professionally, and increase their chances of getting more orders. This isn't a magic trick, it's a smarter way to compete. Let's begin. Open Fiverr and search for almost any service: logo design, video editing, voiceover, etc. You'll notice something interesting: hundreds of freelancers offering almost the exact same thing. You probably wouldn't know. That's how buyers feel on Fiverr. If your gig looks exactly like everyone else's, why should they hire you? Standing out isn't about being the cheapest, it's about being the clearest. Now let's talk about something that's all over YouTube: the secret Fiverr algorithm. You've probably seen thumbnails claiming they know the hidden trick. The reality is much simpler. Fiverr wants buyers to have a great experience. That means the platform naturally favors freelancers who consistently provide value. Things like responding quickly, completing orders on time. Those are the kinds of behaviors that help build trust with buyers over time. Instead of chasing myths about a hack, focus on improving the parts of your freelancing business you can actually control. Now here's where ChatGPT becomes incredibly useful. Not because it replaces your skills, but because it acts like a personal assistant. Think about how much time freelancers spend doing things that aren't the actual work: writing gig descriptions, answering repetitive questions, creating project outlines. Those tasks can take hours every week. ChatGPT can help you draft, refine, and organize many of those tasks faster, leaving you with more time to focus on delivering high-quality work. Those are the kinds of behaviors that help build trust with buyers over time. Instead of chasing myths about a hack, focus on improving the parts of your freelancing business you can actually control. How exactly can ChatGPT help you succeed on Fiverr? Most beginners make one huge mistake. They open ChatGPT and type something like, "Make me rich on Fiverr," or "Give me the best Fiverr gig." And when the results aren't perfect, they assume ChatGPT doesn't work. But that's not how professionals use AI. Here are some of the most valuable ways to use ChatGPT in your Fiverr business. First, niche research. If you don't know what service to sell, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas on your skills and current market trends. Second, gig titles. Your title is the first thing buyers see. ChatGPT can generate multiple title ideas that you can refine to match your service. Third, gig descriptions. Many freelancers struggle to write persuasive descriptions. ChatGPT can help you organize your ideas, explain your process clearly, highlight the value you provide. Fourth, keyword ideas. The words you use in your title, description, and tags matter. ChatGPT can suggest relevant keywords based on your niche, helping you describe your services more effectively.
Use ChatGPT to improve your titles, descriptions, then keep learning, delivering your best work. Success on Fiverr doesn't happen overnight, but consistent effort compounds over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on freelancing, AI tools, online business, and making the most of technology in your career. And I have one question for you. What's the biggest challenge you're facing on Fiverr right now? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and your question might inspire my next video.